This exam application tutorial is on the topic of origins of our universe. The question for 6 marks: explain which of the two universe creation theories is favoured by scientists and why. What this is asking you to do is describe the Big Bang theory and the steady state theory, the two universe creation theories, state which one is accepted by modern scientists, and compare the evidence that supports each theory, which will basically explain why one is accepted by modern scientists. So the Big Bang theory suggests that an explosion caused the space between matter, as you can see here, to expand. So you can see the distance between the matter, or galaxies, is expanding. It suggests that no new matter is created. The steady state theory suggests that the universe exists now as it always has been. There's never been a Big Bang, no explosion. And it also states that as space expands, new matter forms in the gaps. So you can see space is still expanding in steady state, but new matter fills in the gaps. Now, the evidence. Well, the idea of redshift supports both theories because both theories basically claim that space is expanding. So therefore, distant galaxies, as the space expands, their light will be shifted towards the red end of the spectrum. However, the idea that galaxies appear to be uniformly distributed, evenly distributed in space, supports the steady state theory. So redshift supports both. Uniform distribution of galaxies in space supports steady state. But the presence of CMB radiation, cosmic microwave background radiation, found everywhere in space supports the Big Bang theory only, which is why it's the preferred theory, because this radiation, well, the only explanation for this is, or logical explanation, is a huge explosion created this energy, which is now found everywhere in space. The steady state model just doesn't explain this. If you had to sacrifice sentences here, you could sacrifice this one here, no new matter is created in the Big Bang, and you could also sacrifice the piece of evidence that supports steady state because we disregard steady state, so it can't be that important.